Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for joining us today on the channel and checking out this video. As you can see, we've got a Tamiya Hornet Evo on the table, and if you cast your minds back till late 2024, we did a free giveaway where you could win a Hornet Evo thanks to the RC Elf and Inside Light models. So we drew that. The winner for that giveaway on the 26th of December, which was Boxing Day, and it was number 9 that won. And unfortunately, since then, they've never come forward to claim the Hornet Evo, which is a real shame. So, in the event that they do come forward after today, unfortunately, the prize will have been redrawn. I spoke to the RC Elf and they agreed that we could do that, and they were happy to go ahead with that. And I believe that I gave fair amount of time for the first winner of the car to get in touch with us, and unfortunately it hasn't happened. So I can't have this sitting around in the house, just sat there. So it's been redrawn today. So number 9 won't feature in the draw today. So it'll still be numbers 1 to 88. But if number 9 was to come up again, I'd redraw it again. Now, the winner this time needs to get in touch with me on email, and that's at TamiyaDTO2@hotmail.com. That's TamiyaDTO2@hotmail.com. And I'll leave my email, or the correct email address, in the video description with what you need to do, and then we can hopefully get your prize to you ASAP. So, good luck everybody. We're going to draw it again now, so I'm just going to move that. I have still got the original sheet here. I've never binned it, just in case. So I've got all the numbers 1 to 88 there, and so that's everyone who submitted a valid entry to the giveaway. And we're going to now redraw it again, exactly the same method, by a number generator on my wife's phone. So I'll draw the number on here, and I'll also show it close up to the camera as well. Let's see if we can actually get back on. So, okay. So as you can see, number generators on my phone there. I'm now going to add the numbers in. So I've got 1 to 88, and then I'm going to press generate. So the very best of luck to everyone again, and fingers crossed, whoever's lucky enough to win it this time will get in touch with us. As I say, all the details will be in the video description, so do check the video description for this video, so you can get in touch with me about receiving your giveaway prize. Anyway, let's generate the number, and the winner is number 59. Who is that? And the winner is Dave Gaskell. Or Gaskell, I've said it the wrong way around actually, Gaskell Dave. But yeah, well done. Well done indeed. So yeah, that's brilliant. So congratulations to number 59, Gaskell Dave. You have won yourself a Tamiya Hornet Evo. So if you can get in touch with me via email, we can get this sorted out. I won't contact the winner any other way apart from email as well. So if you get anyone messaging you on the video comments or anything like that, it's not me. Right, okay, so cheers for that. I'll just show you the number up close. So it was Gaskell Dave, number 59, that won it there. So I hope you can see that all right. So congratulations, well done. And hopefully you'll get this wing its way to you very soon. Right, cheers for checking this one out. Much appreciated. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.